Hello, I'm Chris Cummings, CEO of Petra Technologies, and we provide rock-solid IT every day. Today, I'm going to talk about incident response procedures. This is number 28 on the cybersecurity's essentials list that I've been covering. Procedures are the specific step-by-step instructions to execute individual processes as a part of a plan specific to incident response, which is not the same as a business continuity or disaster recovery plan. Have this process stored on and off your network and have it printed out in a place that your office staff can get a hold of it. A search online for incident response preparedness or procedures will get you some additional information for this segment of what I'm covering here. Parts of this document would include, but not limited to, 1. General Guidelines Phase. Summarize that you acknowledge you are processing a high-stress situation and that calm and methodical process is commencing. Each step should name who, by position, not staff name, does what. Identify the IT partner you are working with and refer to the incident response policy discussed in my earlier video last week. 2. Immediate actions phase. Following a cyber attack, you or your IT partner should be calling your cybersecurity insurance carrier first. They will explain their requirements and outline any steps that need to be taken to protect the forensic data or evidence. 3. Identification phase. Record the following, if available, and any information should be passed along to the SOC team to assist with the incident response and progressing analysis. Who discovered or who reported the incident? When was the incident discovered or reported? Where was the incident first discovered or located? What impact does the incident currently have on the business operations, and what is the scope? And has the incident source been discovered, or is there a suspected point of entry? 4. The containment phase. Work with your IT partner to physically disconnect the system from the internet. Isolate the infected systems from non-infected systems. Audit all location and domain administrative accounts for any recent changes or additions. And check all security and system logs for unusual activity. Work with your IT partner to get the backups on deck for recovery. This may mean a separate physical server needs to be delivered. Use network tools to hunt for systems calling out the infected websites and receive authorization in writing, email, or text from the insurance provider before moving to the remediation phase. Then work with the IT provider to remediate. 5. Remediation phase. Once the incident has been contained, you and your IT partner will need to find and work to eliminate the root cause of the breach. Bring items back online systematically one at a time to ensure they are clean. Reset the passwords. 6. The recovery phase. Restore systems that were infected, check for the infections found above before connecting to the rest of the system, and make another backup. 7. The debrief phase. Meet with your IT partner, insurance carrier, SOC team if you have one, and staff. Identify and train staff on items found. So until next time, be thinking about your plan of attack so that your organization has the best chance of getting back to business. Find us on Facebook, YouTube, and at the web at Petra Tech IT. If you found any of this information useful, please share it. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them into the comment section and I'll address them in a future video. Thanks.